Dye.
Dye? Right. And what needs fixing? Dye?
I have heavy bleeding which causes anaemia.
All right, okay, cool. All right, and they're telling me, Di, that you are a giver. You give. Yeah, and the blood loss is like blood is like love, and the blood loss is like a sign that you're sort of hemorrhaging love, which is not a bad thing as long as you are nourished yourself, as long as who looks after Di. Yeah, and so that's the learning, and so that blood loss means that you have to take it steady for a while. You see what I mean? It's your blood loss is your body's way of pulling you back in when you're just doing too much giving. Yeah? And in a way you can't do too much giving. Yes, you can if you're in a world of takers. Yeah, there are people in this world that are givers, there's people that's takers. If we were all givers and we all gave, we'd have heaven on earth. Yeah, but when there are people that will take from us, then it can be a problem. And so you also, it's early childhood conditioning that you feel bad receiving. You'd rather see somebody else receive. Yeah? There's a few else in the audience with that one. All right, we all need to receive. Yeah, we all need to receive. We all need to receive. Just recognise, yeah, we all need to receive. So that's the little obstacle or hurdle. And he can help you with this as long as you do recognise that you need to receive, just like everybody else needs to receive. How does that feel?
Clear.
Good. Would not surprise me if your vision has suddenly cleared up as well.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, because vision is to do with not wanting to see something. And when we see things more clearly, the vision gets better. Deafness is not hearing something. What is it we don't want to hear? So I've got surgeons with surgical instruments. So when he does surgery, I usually see surgical instruments, and I've got a scalpel and forceps. So they're actually doing some work in this area. You've only got my word to say for that, but what are you sensing inside your body? What can you feel happening?
It feels almost disconnected between the top and the lower and belly.
You can feel that, yeah. More alive in the top part, more dead in the bottom part.
Definitely.
No, not dead. They're saying a lack of aliveness. Alive, a lack of aliveness. There's a difference. Okay. So if I get something wrong, there was a time you go like, I can't say anything because I'm saying it wrong. Yeah. And then he moved to that. Now they're a little bit more subtle. They just gently steer me. These are our bodies. They respond to our thoughts and our feelings. And if you feel like you're full of energy, if you are full of the joys of spring, if you love your life, you're going to look a lot more youthful. But if you hate your life and life sucks and you shouldn't have got out of bed this morning, guess what? Yeah, more stuff's going to happen to you. Yeah, you're made of energy. Everything's made of energy, and it's happening 24/7. You've got to get with it, and realise I can change my experience of reality by thinking positively. But you've seen some amazing things happen tonight, You can change your life just like that as well. Just decide. Well, I'm going to do things differently. Use the purple powder, guys. It's a gift from God. Seriously, it's amazing. It gets your energy up. If your energy's up, you can think more clearly. You can be more positive. You can feel happier. And if ever the powers that be come after that purple powder, you'll know how good it is, won't you? Seriously, because that's the next... The way they're most likely going to target me is through them. And it's like, nah, it's bloody good stuff. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good. Yeah, my legs feel like it's frickin' air conditioning.
No, I mean, if we were under one of them, fair enough, but we're not.
No, my thighs are decidedly trying to figure out new energy.
Yeah. Cool. I think we're fixed, but you'll have to let me know.
Yeah. Sorry, I can't go.
Cool.
I can walk.